and food stylist Payal Gupta.
And I am Aditya Sapre, a photographer who loves shooting food.
And together we bring to you Styling Lens, India's first online tutorial for food styling and food photography. So I first came up with the Styling Lens tutorial idea in 2019, but I was looking for a passionate photographer who could actually be my co-founder. And I'm so lucky to have found my match in Aditya, who today is my co-founder.
I'm so happy that we decided to launch Styling Lens together. I remember when we were discussing about launching Styling Lens, we recalled so many instances where we got stuck in the projects creatively or technically. At those times, I wished there were some online tutorials available to guide us. There were some tutorials available online, but they were very basic, plus they were mainly focusing on international food. So while discussing or deciding about Styling Lens, we were quite sure that we are going to aim at the people who love styling for Indian food, who love photographing Indian food. So my dear foodie friends, buckle up for an amazing ride into the secret world of food photography and food styling and learn A to Z about this craft.
And I hope that you find these tutorials extremely useful and handy. So that brings me to a question, Aditya. What can our viewers expect to learn from the Styling Lens?
Well, as a two-member team, I'll be sharing my knowledge about food photography and Payal will be taking care of food styling topics.
Maybe we could experiment a little bit. And how about me teaching you a couple of food styling tricks and you teaching me a couple of food photography tricks?
Absolutely.
So let me give our viewers a bird's eye view of what they can expect to learn from the Styling Lens tutorial. So to begin with, we will be covering all the basics of a food styling and food photography career and taking you through every step that you need to know before you launch yourself in this craft. We will also be giving you tips about how to market this craft. Plus, we will tell you how to have a great social media presence. Not only that, we will also be giving you some fun tips on self-styling that you could use to style yourself during shoots.
So we will give you tips and teach you techniques about food photography and food styling using Indian food.
Yes.
Also, we'll be reviewing some products related to food styling and food photography which will help you in purchasing them online.
Apart from this, we will also be talking about the emerging trends in the styling industry. And yes, we will be talking about the newer color palette that you could use while styling food. We will also be talking about some exotic props, some natural ones as well that you could use to style food. By the way, do you know that you no longer need to stick to your boring browns, greys and pastels for shooting food? You could actually experiment and use burnout oranges, millennial pinks, dystopian reds and cyberpunk green while shooting food. And yes, not to forget, we are going to be taking you behind the scenes on our shoots and give you a glimpse of how an actual shoot is done. Now this process is going to be very handy when you do a shoot next time and you have to plan and organize this. Not only that, there's some more surprise in store for you. So we are going to be taking you for market visits and we will show you how to purchase props or equipment.
We'll be going live every month and try to answer all your queries regarding food photography and food styling. And also, not to forget, we are going to cover mobile food photography.
You will also be guided about books to read on the subjects of food styling and food photography. And in case you've already read some interesting books, do let us know in the comment section below.
And also, as an added bonus, we are going to cover cinematograph, levitation, and we'll teach you how to do food videos.
Hey, how about teaching our viewers how to make DIY backgrounds for food shoot?
Definitely, why not?
In case you have a foodie friend, remember to tag them in this post. Also, in case you are a food photographer watching this episode, do remember to give us a thumbs up in the comment section. And in case you are a food stylist watching this, please post a smiley in the comment section. So do remember to subscribe to our Styling Lens series on YouTube. And yes, to keep yourself updated on our latest posts, click the bell icon for notifications. So I think that's all for now. Let our viewers soak in all the information that we've given to them in this episode till we come back next Saturday with another exciting and informative episode from the Styling Lens.